All right, guys. A lot of technical difficulties, all doing with Google Drive because they can't seem to copy a file from one place to another. I mean, do you know how many syncing software? I mean, Jesus Christ. Do you know how much syncing software I've used? Anyways.
Happy Thursday.
Yeah. It's like no one could write a syncing software that actually works. You know that?
I've never seen anything like this.
It is a true God honest truth. I have better syncing software. I've written. It was so bad in the days, right? I've written my own syncing software for Windows. I'm gonna have to do that for Mac. Because it's not that. It's not. This is not rocket science. Copy the file. That if you didn't copy the file, ignore it.
Yeah.
Put it in an error file and let the person know.
That's it.
Nothing more complicated than that.
The issue was so desperate that he said, I don't want to even check the integrity of the file. I just want to move it, right? Yeah, I don't know. We can't kill the app. It's running, so hopefully everything's going to be okay.
Yeah, exactly. It's a disaster. But anyways, we got this. And then, we had to set the recording and everything else.
Yeah, memory cards is missing. Yeah,
exactly. It's just like...
It is what it is. It's a Thursday vibe.
Exactly.
But we're gonna make it work, right?
Good morning. Anyways, so
GM.
With that said,
done.
Right? we got an interesting show for you. I mean, if you guys are in the EU, hopefully you're preparing for, I don't know, war, because that's what the government's saying. Hey, I don't know if you heard that, but yeah, they came out and said that. So make sure, and when they have, I'm sure they have a list of items that you have to prepare. Yeah. And I bet you, Bitcoin's not on there.
Oh no, it's supposed to be number one thing you need to
Exactly. And for those who say, oh, well, Bitcoin is going to be useless because, hey, what happens if nothing's working? Well, you've got more problems than that. Right?
Indeed. Indeed.
Nothing, not even your euros is going to work, okay? So, just saying.
Just keep that in mind.
So, with that said, right, we've got a show for you guys. We're going to be going over what the value of gold is going to be and what Bitcoin might be.
Oh boy. Mm-hmm. That's
and
interesting.
Why we get to these numbers and how. All right? So, with that said, make sure you hit the like because you know what? We're at 27 likes. I want to get to 150 just to have a chat with y'all, right? So 150.
And do the Q&A.
We could just get to 50. So that's only like, what? Oh, look, 28. Now it's only 22 likes away. I would really appreciate it. Then you hit the subscribe, right? You go over and hit to Mr. M's podcast and hit the subscribe as well.
Nice.
Right? He would like that. And make sure you hit the all button there because that was not selected. So you need to be notified whenever stuff goes down, right?
Going to upload a video on Sunday, which is one of my top 3 I've recorded. It's going to be about power law and a lot of price prediction, a lot of charts, a lot of graphs. Super interesting. I'm really excited about it.
Good morning from Switzerland. Switzerland was the first country to get pamphlets saying, yeah, something's coming. You might want to kind of get ready. Yeah. And just so you know, right? Just by the way, before we get into the next tab, a lot of gold has been moving around. A lot of silver has been moving around, and not in the right directions.
Yeah, there's been, and we don't even know. We don't even know if it's real gold, by the way.
Yeah, and I'm going to leave it. I'm going to leave it at that.
It might be hand painted. Okay, this is funny. I love Naive. These guys are epic. They have so many good memes. So who's your favorite trading hero? Easy. Jeff Bezos' ex-wife. I don't know if you can see, but she basically got married at the bottom of the Amazon price and she divorced almost at the top. That was hilarious.
You know, you got to feel for a woman like that. And even though you're like, what? She's rich. You know, what you got to understand about women is that they live off companionship, right? And so she's rich, and all her friends and companions are just like, you know, sucking off the tea. If she wants a boyfriend, right, she wants somebody that's higher up than she is, right? That's done better than she has, right? Doesn't that make sense? Because that's what women, that's truly what women want. And so, I don't like the mic in this.
Sorry, just
Yeah. So, effectively, she is going to have to pay for her boyfriend, a boy toy.
Boy toy.
Not the greatest situation, eh? For her, right? Just saying, right? Hey, it is what it is. Well, hopefully, all that money keeps you company at night.
Yeah. Also, I am pretty certain there was a prenup, right? Jeff Bezos would have.
No, he got taken to the cleaners.
Oh, no prenup, no protection.
It's
going like we do
he
in the
got
Degen.
He got raped.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, Jeff. Have you seen?
But come on, if you get raped for $20 billion, right? And you still got $20 billion left, you're not okay.
Yeah, died. Have you seen Raw? Eddie Murphy Raw is one of my favorite shows. Half.
Yeah, exactly. I know. I saw that in the 80s. Yes. Yes, we're that old.
Yeah, we're that old. It's one of my favorite shows, by the way.
Half. Damn. Oh, well.
Yeah, well, it is what it
If
is.
she feels she deserves, I mean, it's not the great. It's not honestly having all that money is rewarding to us guys, but not so much for women. Actually, if you ask me. Right?
Yeah, I mean, it also could be the opposite, right? If she made an empire and he married her, whatever. So it's always tricky, right?
Yeah, I know. I don't know what the reason why she divorced him, but hey, you know what? She probably didn't do as well as Nancy Pelosi.
Yeah, she's winning everything. She's the best trader I know. That's for sure.
Oh, damn. They're probably friends.
They talk. Time to divorce, babe. On it.
Oh, damn.
Now you can see this interesting chart. It says it's basically projecting where we are now, and it gives us an idea of where we could be. So cycles tend to roughly top when 475 days after the halving. So we are now kind of halfway into it. Again, this is not science because we can't guarantee that this is going to happen. But on average, we should have another half of the cycle in place. So again, a bit of hopium here.
Whether it happens or not is irrelevant. Here's why. We have Trump, full Bitcoin president. We have his cabinet, full Bitcoin employees of the government administration. We have the SEC, fully Bitcoin supporters. We have Wall Street, full Bitcoin supporters. We have corporations, full Bitcoin supporters. Maybe the price doesn't go anywhere.
Yeah, but it's going to zero, guys. Let's give up on this. It's going nowhere. It's going to zero.
Zero.
We need to sort out the mixer, man.
It goes sideways, right? That's great because guess what? You get to dollar cost average all the way, and if it goes down, you get the dollar cost average to get more of an asset that's what quantum resistant. Okay, it has like even satellites that are providing blocks to everyone, right? It could transfer. You could transfer your wealth to anyone instantly in the world, and no one can stop you, right? And there is no like, oh, we realize that you're trying to transfer that Bitcoin over to. We can't let you do that, man, because that's not your money. That's our money. Like
Exactly.
the bank.
Like the bank.
Done to me so many times, right?
Oh yeah, we even played the guy who wanted to buy a motorcycle in the UK, and the bank didn't allow him to take £2,500.
Exactly. So
not even millions, right?
perhaps, yeah, it will go down, right? But that's only an advantage to you because you know all the reason why to hold it, and whoever's selling it, they probably don't know those reasons.
Oh yeah, they have no clue. And honestly, by even looking at the chart there, I mean, it's such a beautiful chart. I don't know what time frame this is, probably like weekly or monthly, but look how beautiful. It's just like, it's incredible. So yeah, it's actually very nice to see. On a longer time frame, monthly and or weekly, Bitcoin chart is one of my favorite.
Exactly.
That's for sure. And this is also interesting. We talk about gold, and Bitcoin is kind of mimicking gold, the fractal. So you can see on the top you have gold, on the bottom you have Bitcoin. And it tend to be like a delay move. So whatever gold goes into, Bitcoin follows.
Honestly, I really think we should rename the name from Daily Hodl Show from Daily Hopium Show. Because it's hopium every day.
I know.
Every day. Don't it feel like that?
Yeah, there's gonna be a time where the Hopium is gonna be finished, right? So I think at some
Daily
point,
Hopium Show.
I think at some point we'll have to call it when the bear market kicks in.
Yeah, exactly.
Right? So we have to balance it up now because we do have some good charts in, by the way.
Mm-hmm.
But
yeah, I like this Daily Hopium.
So this
It makes me feel good. I don't know how it lifts me up with lots of hope and joy for the future. It must be the gas? I don't know.
I mean, the tank is always open. That's the first thing I do when I come in the studio. Open the gas. That's it. Crank it up, and then turn on the cameras.
Oh, damn.
But hey, I mean, it's kind of following to a T. All right, Jim Cramer. I actually nowadays I have to check every single time because whenever there is a Jim Cramer tweet, I don't believe it because a lot of people are using it to manipulate the market. But he tweeted this on March 26th, and he said, "GameStop is finally doing my Bitcoin ploy," which I think is, you want to say play maybe?
Well, maybe, it's time to short GameStop.
And maybe it's time to short GameStop. Yeah. It would be good to see how.
It's over. It's over.
Exactly.
It's over.
It's over. Yeah, Jeff,
Damn.
Bitcoin is going to zero.
Zero.
Yeah, we are addicted to Hopium. Yeah,
Damn.
yeah, we are. That's, at least I am.
The Daily Hopium Show.
Daily Hopium Show. Actually, there's a ring. Maybe when we go
James,
to the bear market.
new type of H. DHS is now Daily Hopium Show.
Maybe when we I think we can. I know that's an image. We could do a texting. Maybe in the bear market we can do Daily Hopium.
Definitely.
Definitely.
Daily Hopium Show.
That'll be fun. All right, so data suggests altcoin season. It's already here. So that's
What?
depressing.
That is depressing.
Yeah, the It's Altcoin Season chart, which they highlight in the middle, it basically suggests that we already popped off. You see those two?
You were just starting.
This is, people seem to be liking the daily Hopium.
Yes.
All right, you know what? We can actually do it. I'll prepare it for tomorrow.
Damn.
That's a good name, actually.
Wow.
Daily Hopium.
Yeah.
So how likely do you think altcoin season is already here? That's the question.
Well, I mean, we could be in an alt movement, but the problem is all the alts broke a bunch of key levels, which even if they were to start seriously popping at this level, the best case they can do is from their top, the previous top that's within the last year, right? With the short-term top, do a Fibonacci retracement and 61.8.
Okay.
Because they dropped well below the 61.8 in most cases. And because of that, that's a technical no-go, right? If you're lucky, it might go to the previous top, but then fail. Big fail.
It's because of the dominance is raping.
Yeah, and not only because of the dominance, right? Because, we broke key levels, and because a lot of people were bought at the top or bought near it, they are going to be, I'm getting out of this crap and I'm never coming back. And this is what's that's what's going to happen. And because they'll be selling into let's just say a pressure wave up, right? So unless there's like new buyers coming in, which, new Hopium,
Who they're selling to.
everybody's going to be, most of them are going to be selling and no one's going to be buying. And so there you go.
Fair enough. And by the way, some of the altcoins have done decent already. So yeah, that's probably there.
Yeah.
This is interesting. Custodia and Vantage, I guess how you say, bank partner up for the first bank issued stablecoin, we've been pounding on this for months. I think stablecoins are going to come up so strong in the next few months because of the administration, and Trump is going to make them easy. And I think soon you will have, depending on the bank, the option to convert your euros or dollars or whatever, pounds, whatever fiat, into stablecoin. The bank is going to offer, because there is money to be made in there.
Yeah, of course. Because here's the thing: when they give you a paper dollar, right? They don't gain any kind of value from that, the ongoing value.
But if they give you a stablecoin,
They do, because now they can back it up with what's it called, treasury bonds, which give them a yield.
exactly.
Right.
Now the question is, are they going to use Ethereum? Sorry, guys.
Damn.
Are they going to use Ethereum on this? And it's gone. I mean, BNB seem to be chosen by Trump with the Liberty platform they have.
Yeah. They because they're gonna be buying it, right? From who they're gonna give CZ an offer he can't refuse.
Exactly. There's gonna be a pardon on top, just to close the
pardon.
deal, to seal the deal.
Yeah.
By the way, Kathleen, the lady who tweeted, I have been trying to get her on my show. She's super cool. And she tweeted about this. And she goes, we took territory by issuing the first bank stablecoin on a permissionless blockchain. And it's not what you'd think. I guess she's talking about Tradify and not referring to CBDCs. And it's good to see that they are experimenting this. But stablecoins are tricky. Because they can be revoked, they can be blocked, they can be blacklisted. So
yeah, exactly. Just keep that in mind, right? So
exactly, careful what we wish for, guys, because at the end of the day, we're seeing a lot of talks. Oh, CBDCs, we don't want them. Well, USDT, hello, USDC.
So if you think, like, for example, with your USDT or USDC or US1, USD1, you can oh my God, the market's going crazy. I'm going to sell everything into Bitcoin right away, or Ethereum, or to whatever. They can go, the markets, we got to calm down the markets. We're going to put in this blocker right here. So if you move 5% of your wealth, of the total wealth goes into these assets, we're going to shut it off for 5 minutes and then start it up again. They're going to do all those. They're going to put all those things in place, right? So.
Oh yeah, for sure. I mean, as much as they are limiting you to withdraw cash from an ATM on a daily, they can say you can only spend those stablecoin in certain places, and you can only spend them. This is the amount you can spend daily or monthly or whatever. They come up with some, and it's just like one click.
Yeah.
So that's why Bitcoin fixes this too.
Exactly.
It's advertisement for a Bitcoin.
Holder, right? Yeah, it's great. It's great.
Trump imposes 25% tariffs on all foreign-made cars. Hence, probably why we've seen a retracement in Bitcoin. This tariff war has been. Bitcoin has been reacting to it. Every time there was a Canadian thing, boom, European thing, boom. And now he imposed a 25 on cars. So probably that's why we've seen impose. I
mean, it makes sense, kind of, but not in the context of paper money, right? If we had fair and honest money, right, the 25% tariff would make more sense. In my point of view, because, the 25% is only going to hurt, the average person. And then, the people who could print money, they don't really care.
Yeah, exactly. Who cares?
Yeah, it's like,
I'll print the tariff. Wait,
whatever.
Let me go and print the tariff and come back.
Whatever, right? So if it's going to hurt, though, the only way it's going to hurt, corporations is if they had to actually earn the money that they have. Through instead of just printing it, right? And you're like, what? What do you mean? Amazon making money? I could have swore Amazon's not, but I'm not sure. But anyways, even if it is, right? The thing is, they can actually gain. They can buy whatever. Jeff Bezos does not buy his $500 million yacht by selling his stock. Okay? He does not. He prints a bunch of $500 million, and buys it. Got it? Okay. So if you understand that concept, right, that's not a fair situation. Because if we were using real money, hard money, no one would lend him $500 million to buy a freaking yacht.
It's not worth it.
Okay? That's that.
Real money.
Yes.
Bitcoin.
It was only going to be real money. Then he would feel the pinch, right? Because he would actually feel that, oh, I got to spend 25% of my real money? I don't think so.
Not gonna do it.
Right?
Yeah. Interesting. I wonder if this is gonna stabilize later on. It's just, I mean, we've seen in the beginning when Trump announced tariffs, the price of Bitcoin tanked heavily. Now I guess it's less, right? Impacted less, so it's going to stabilize, probably going on and on.
Yeah. So it is what it is. I mean, it will have an effect because there's some people that their intended effect because some people believe that U.S. dollars are real and they don't see, the scam where it's just you just printed money, or they do but they just don't think about it, right? They just understand that this is a unit of account. I got to get as many unit of account based on this, and I got to come up with this plan for this unit of account, and that's it. And that's all they care about. And they don't really see the bigger picture, right? It happens to all of us, right? We always we get focused on whatever it is we're doing, and we don't see that picture that on the back of our head we don't.
Yeah.
Right.
Do you know what's really funny when I think about it? I think about the dollar and any other fiat currency, to be honest. Whenever they go and find people they are printing illegally. What do you mean printing illegally? So if I go out and print a bunch of dollars, I'm breaking the law. But if they do it, it's fine.
Yeah, it's whatever.
So
They don't even bother printing it. They just
it's like
put it in your bank account.
only I can print.
Yeah, exactly.
You can't, because if you do, it's fake. If
Exactly.
I do it, it's cool. It's legit.
Yeah, and we don't print it. We just put it in. We have computers that just puts it in our account.
Exactly. So it's all good, bro. Trust me, bro.
Trust me, bro. It's all good. All good. So you know what? And you don't know if Jeff Bezos or any of those people are getting that free money, either directly or indirectly, right? So,
Fair enough.
yeah, exactly. So, that's why the tariffs effectively only hurt the average American. Now, if it was hurting us, everyone across the board evenly, then we could say something, but that's not the case.
Yeah, I agree. Now, this is interesting. Rajat tweeted this the other day, and I thought it was hilarious. So apparently there's been a new gold material which acts like gold, behaves like gold, looks and feel like gold, but ain't gold. And you don't even know. It's impossible unless you test it with a machine.
Yeah.
So
I wonder if it has the same density. I doubt it.
I would
don't
love
think
to.
so.
I would love to understand on a because gold is a really energy conductor, right? So I wonder how it would react when you plug it into. It's used in phones.
Probably wouldn't work.
Probably, yeah.
Yeah, it's not conductive.
But imagine if it has the same because the video says it has the same properties. I don't know
I doubt it's
down
conductive.
to a degree, but this is really interesting.
Exactly. That's why gold is going to zero. Zero.
Going to zero.
Zero.
Yeah, like the diamond industry with the grown in lab diamonds, and impacted the prices so much.
And meanwhile, Bitcoin is going to 444K. 444K.
And guess what? There is no fake Bitcoin. Yeah,
exactly.
You can't fake Bitcoin because you can check, right?
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, there is a lot of people they want to be Bitcoin, yeah, but you can easily figure it out which one is which one. So it's an interesting one. I mean, I think gold is going to keep climbing for sure, but it's interesting to see how the new fake gold is gonna impact the market.
Wow, this Josh man, he's like sucking it all up. Like, yeah, see, I'm the man. I know. Right? I'm like, all right.
This is the guy who said Bitcoin is going to, I think it was 84,000 before the end of this specific date. And if that happens, the next one is 444, which was a hell of a guess. So on March 14, yeah.
Wow.
So now he's saying, well, now I'm being careful because the higher you go, exactly. I wonder how accurate this guy will be
going forward, right? Because I mean, wow, that's to get the price and the date is like miracle.
Yeah. There's been a bunch of people quoting this guy and talking about it. I mean, to be honest, historically speaking, you've seen basically everyone, and some predictions have been, they happened, right? But I think it's very difficult to predict with a higher precision of degree.
So now he's saying 444.
444.
Does he says which date?
I don't know actually.
See, he's not. Yeah, okay.
Maybe we can look into it and see if,
Let's find out. Okay.
and if there is a date. Ramboz wants to create his own digital wallet with Tether. You know, they invested 20 million in Bitcoin as a strategic reserve for the company. And now Rumble is basically allowing, or they're working on allowing users to exchange Tether. So maybe you can tip creators. And I actually like Rumble, but the thing, it's so unusable.
The application is horrible. I mean, we are struggling with it.
Especially for
even
someone,
just to watch videos. I find
that's just that's just like that. They should honestly, they don't have to reinvent the wheel. The wheel is fine, and it's called YouTube. Just get inspired by what they do.
Exactly.
I'm not saying copy everything, but get inspired. Same kind of user experience patterns.
Exactly.
You don't have to reinvent anything, man. And this is why YouTube is the second best search engine on the planet, because it works. It's simple. It's easy. But when they try to, end of the cycle. Okay, Josh said 444,000 end of the cycle. Okay, which is probably end of the year ish, I guess.
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, it's a hell of a prediction. So I'll be happy.
I'll take it even for like, you don't have to give a date. Just say, in general, that's the top.
And
that's a short-term
end of the
top.
cycle. I wonder when he thinks the cycle. And thank you, by the way, Estedad. I wonder if or when he thinks the cycle is going to finish, because there is a bit of controversy. And some people are saying, end of 2025, early 2026, we're going to finish early, we're going to finish late. I don't know, but that's why the best thing you can do is no financial advice, dollar cost average, because we don't know, right?
All right, we got like 90 likes, man, and we just need to get to 150. If you can,
4,000 people watching.
If we get 1,000, well, 100 is not 1,000 likes, but 10 more likes, that would be nice.
Yeah.
We get to 100, just 10 of y'all. That's all.
3 digits territory.
Exactly. So simple. If you could just come over, right, wherever you're watching, and hit the like button on YouTube, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Okay, let's go on. Wow.
Have you seen this?
Yeah, you showed me this in the morning, dude.
Guys, I'm sure you've seen on X or Twitter, the OpenAI has gone bananas with the Studio Ghibli style memes, and the results are astonishing. You can actually ask ChatGPT to make any photo into a Studio Ghibli style, and look at these, man. These are incredible.
Exactly. It is amazing.
If you click on one of them, you can see the level of, like, the little lady with the phone.
Yeah.
I mean, look at this, man. This is crazy. Insane.
So
The amount of progress AI had in the past, I don't know, 6 months.
it's scary, man. It is scary. Everything's happening so fast.
Look at this. There's another famous meme.
Yeah, exactly. So fast.
And not just the Studio Ghibli style, but if you go through the whole thread, it's just mind-blowing. Basically, all the graphic design and all the creative cartoon, it even makes comics. You can generate comics. Nuts. You can generate movie posters. I mean,
Jesus.
this is just the beginning. Yeah, it's actually an interesting thread I've gone through this morning, and you can see how much progress the AI made. This is nuts. Look at those. This is also another one.
Taking out the asset.
You can take out the assets from YouTube thumbnails.
Jesus.
You can see the shark.
And you see where the nose is like not
been
fully
rebuilt,
full. It's
yeah.
just been rebuilt. Jesus.
Crazy.
And the tail, right?
Which was only half in view. Boom. This is nuts. This is going to allow a lot to happen. You can generate images based on a combination of photos. This is the one we just discussed. Olympics.
Oh, damn.
The level of details, it's so good. Everyone knows.
Nobody could do
It's nuts, man.
Oh,
I
damn.
mean, there are still some imperfections you can see on the floor. The 2 is missing.
Yeah.
But man, this is just epic. The level of details. Australia is written fantastically on the leg, and it's just like insane. Insane.
Done well.
Fear and greed, back in 40. I think it's going to drop because we dumped a little bit. So maybe tomorrow is going to be 35 or in the 30, I would imagine, unless something unexpected is going to come up.
Exactly. And we have like 100 likes, 104.
Amazing.
And
Thank
we're
you,
going to
guys.
get to like another 25, or 20. If we can get to another 25, 125. So 21 more likes. I'd really appreciate it. Just go hammer that like button. Hit it for me. Hit it. Okay.
Hit it.
Moving on.
ETFs, I mean, kind of
There's nothing going
on live support
Yeah, nothing going on.
at
It's
the
like,
moment. I mean,
This is just 100 mil at a time. Jesus, nothing. Average pennies.
and by the way, most of the money coming through, as you can see on the left, is BlackRock, over and over and over. So I don't know if you agree, but I'm expecting those 11 ETFs to shrink in maybe 3 or 4, because some of them they don't have any volume.
Exactly.
So they're going to consolidate into top 2 or 3.
Yeah,
maybe.
yeah, exactly. BlackRock will get all their money, everybody's money, and that's that.
I think so. I think so
And
as well.
say, you know what? I'm sure they got some of that money spigots having free money coming from one of those computers to say, okay, dude, you're gonna do it this way
Yeah.
or else.
I'm going to make you an offer. you can't
Exactly.
refuse.
Exactly. Right. So it is called BlackRock for no, not called BlackRock for no reason.
Yeah.
It's black. You know what I'm saying?
It's a rock.
Yeah. And they're gonna hit you over the head with it.
Yeah. But hey, as long as it's not negative, it's kind of sideways boring, which is normal, expected. We're going through, I don't know, a period of consolidation, I would say, and see what's going to happen after. But if you go on the next tab, you can see we are still up for the month. March is still green. I don't want to jinx it. We have a few days left, I guess, but we can finish it in the green, right? Breathing heavy.
Gotta get that hopium in. All right, we're at 109. Guys, come on, man. Oh, I got 5 likes for that one. 5? That's it?
Can get there.
Man, we're not going to make it. We're not going to make it.
We will
We're
get
not
there.
going to make it, man.
I have faith. We're gonna make it.
Get to the chopper.
Get to the chopper. Best movie ever.
I know, exactly.
Have you seen the fish who speaks the AI fish with the Schwarzenegger accent? Oh my god, it's the best thing.
Yes, I
This
saw
is
it.
what I
Yeah, you
pay
showed
my
it to me.
internet
Yeah,
for.
exactly.
That's it.
Oh, damn. All right, so now we're going to get to the Degen section,
Uh-oh.
right? The section where should you follow us in, right? And you lose money.
Which is probably gonna happen.
No. We're going to secure the bloodline.
In between now and securing the bloodline,
Exactly.
there might be a couple of bucks.
losses. Might be a few losses.
Just move your thinking to the bloodline.
Exactly. Focus on the bloodline.
Forget the bumps.
But make sure you take out your fault insurance. Should you go all in? Because there's people out there who's watching this show. Well, if they're doing it, I'm just going to go all in.
Yeah. Like, remember when we were buying potato? And there's a lot of people in the chat. I'm going in all in potato. No, just don't go. Don't, no. Don't go all in potato, please. Let us do the filthy work.
Oh, damn.
We got showers ready, towels.
Yeah, exactly.
Everything is ready.
Yeah. All right. You ready to secure the bloodline, people? Because that's what we're here to do. Secure your bloodline with.
Okay. Do I have to sit down before you open the wallet, or
Oh man.
let me go on your laptop? Do I have to sit down?
Oh man.
Ooh.
She was so pretty. I thought she was not gonna rug us, man.
This was not what I dreamt
Or
for.
Lena.
It's like
She was sparkling.
it's the other way around, man.
She was sparkling, man.
Oh, Lena. That's probably one of the worst.
Did we get rugged there?
Maybe. Maybe.
Do you think she'll come back?
Look at the candle, man. Jesus.
This is a 15-minute candle too. Let's go to the 5.
Did we manage to go a little bit higher before it gone?
At least on the 5, it was like came down a little. Okay.
Oh,
never
no.
mind.
Jesus.
Never mind.
Wow.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
There's no way to fix this.
Okay, let's see if we get a.
Oh, no, bag.
Man, you're supposed to like
Just buy
secure
a bag.
our bags when we bought a bag.
They're going down heavy. Heavy.
Yeah.
Man, I'm lost.
I'm not
on
sure, but I think we got rugged on this one.
it. Yeah. That's probably safe to assume. You got rugged. Okay, stupid.
Okay, all right,
Stupid is
stupid. Yes, that's
it's
stupid.
holding.
It's
Yeah.
holding. But we didn't buy any more. with
No,
this,
we
right?
didn't. We didn't buy. Man, were those two what we did yesterday?
I know.
Like spanked twice hard.
I know.
What's happening with the one
Portfolio?
that I am not selling? Oh no,
Oh.
portfolio. I don't want to look at this.
Oh man.
I don't want to look at the portfolio, guys.
Yeah.
Okay. I mean,
We ain't dead yet.
$200.
A lot of red, but. No.
Oh, agenda in the green. Agenda 47 in the green.
Where's that?
Yeah, scroll down a little bit. There you go. Boom.
Damn.
It's going back. See? It's going higher. Man, I haven't checked my Solana.
Did you sell it?
No. We are going up hard. I think we should get in our portfolio again.
Wow.
Kind of.
You are serious, Degen. Okay. Well, at least it
Okay.
did go up a little bit.
Okay.
Little bit. It came back to the 30 million market cap. So you could have like sold some and
know.
walked out.
How far are we from the top, percentage-wise? 20% maybe?
Man, you are dreaming. Why don't you sell now?
It's going higher. Higher. It's gonna double.
Yeah.
Easy. Ooh, 70%.
Let's see here. Yeah. 77% more. And then you can sell, right?
Maybe.
All right.
Yeah, this is. Yeah, I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna hold for a little bit longer and wait for that like sweet double.
Look at this. 20 million market cap.
Stop being poor. What's this?
I don't know. Look, it's almost 668 million dollars in volume.
Jesus, 20 million.
Damn, G. What the hell happened here? Damn, G.
Yeah, exactly, Daniel. Only 77%.
Yeah.
Only. I mean, in my defense, I put in $50 and I have $2,000, so I'm winning. So I'm taking screenshots.
Yeah, you're winning with your screenshots, man. Winning. Heavy.
The screenshots are amazing.
Heavy.
Screenshots are amazing.
Crypto Bros take screenshots.
The Ghibli. That's why the thing we discussed on the AI. What does it mean? I mean, why stop being poor? It has nothing to do with the Ghibli thing.
I don't know.
Man, things are changing. A few months ago, all those would have gone so much more higher. So someone was using AI to generate Ghibli. That's easy.
Wow.
Yeah, but it doesn't. We're back in McDonald's.
Mish.
Yeah.
No, that's why they're doing so well. Look. Should we get some?
I think we should. I mean, the chart, how does it chart? Is it like an hour?
Yeah, I think we're by the top, but.
Yeah, Moto Mexico, you are rich with screenshot. Yes.
Yes, exactly. Screenshot rich.
Secure the bloodline.
He's scared of
Screenshot.
with a screenshot.
One screenshot at a time. Yeah. That's, one screenshot at a time.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, actually, that's kind of catchy.
Yeah, exactly.
Secure
I
the
like
bloodline, one screenshot. That's what's happening. At least.
Oh man. What do you think? You think we're gonna do well with this?
I mean, I like the warning. The warning is a good signal.
Mm-hmm.
It means,
Definitely.
you know, no pain, no gain. Kind of thing.
Well, we're gonna get a little bit.
Yeah.
Because you know what? If it goes to $1, we get $600.
Yeah. You can show screenshots to the children. Look how daddy's doing.
Yes, exactly. Oh damn!
Ghiblification, yes.
Oh man, we got some.
But you know what I think we could do?
There's another one here.
I think we could double down on the.
Everybody's Ghibli in it.
Yeah, everyone's Ghibli.
Yeah,
I think the
this
train.
this one dead.
The Ghibli train is left the station. This is again another one. Toro, one of the character. What if we go in? How about this? Okay, a bit of a Degen thinking.
Yeah, because that never happens here.
It would be unprecedented. This is the part where financial advice is given, right?
Yes, exactly.
All right, so it's a bit of a maybe like a heavy thought there, but what if we pick some of the like WIF and Mao and some of the big ones, and we go just like heavy in Solana into those?
We could, but the problem is, right? They're not going to move very fast. Right? We'd have to wait, like I don't know, a month, maybe 2 months. This is too long.
No, we don't have
We don't have that.
2 months. It's way too long.
That's too long for a DJ.
24 hours long enough.
Exactly. Exactly.
That's a good point.
Yeah.
We don't have too much, guys.
Nah, man.
We barely have 24 hours. Hey, screenshots are getting old fast. You know what I mean?
Exactly. Exactly.
Okay, that was I had to say it, but it makes sense. Plus 10 of filthy enough. Like
Exactly.
It's no fun in getting.
Yeah, you know, you're not getting dirty on those
Who
things.
wants blue chips, man? Blue chips
Exactly.
is boring. We want the filthy.
Exactly. Yeah, if we wanted blue chips, we'd just buy Bitcoin.
Fair enough. Fair enough. Or a filthy meme coin could be Solana.
Exactly.
They are not dirty enough. Mm-hmm. And the trenches now are even more difficult because the memes have cooled down. So there is.
Wow.
Oh, man.
I think this thing got rugged.
You think? Yeah. But the data would.
Data might indicate there was a lot of ruggage going on.
Oh man, look at this. This is the one that we've seen yesterday.
What is it?
What was the name of the one that we rugged on yesterday?
I don't know. What was it? What is this? It's going up. Oh, it's such low volume. That means it's going to go a lot higher.
Fortalix? Oh man.
No? No? No?
Oh, what happened to Mandog, by the way?
I don't know.
Didn't rug, right?
I don't think so, but we can take a look at it in a second. Hang on. Let's do a little bit of...
What is this thing? AI-driven security solution designed to protect your data and system from evolving cyber threats. Fortalix.
Well, I don't know. Let's just buy it anyways.
You're smelling profits?
Yes, let's just buy it anyways. Just because.
Fortalix.
Yes. We're going to be for brokerage. For brokerage. For brokerage. I don't know. That didn't come out right.
Pumped up fun. Okay.
Really?
Yeah, that actually it's a plus.
That's not a plus.
It's a bonus.
That's not a bonus.
We're getting 100,000 Fortalix.
Okay, you know what? I'm
Okay,
done.
Solana's been Solana.
I think you know what? It's a sign. Let's take it.
It's a sign that we should probably not
Probably.
swap Solana for that.
Probably.
There's a lot of Ghibli stuff. A lot, actually.
Baby pump?
Baby pump? What is this? Is that Elon?
Is that baby dump?
Oh my God.
It's baby dump.
And it's gone.
Not baby pump. Baby dump.
Baby done. Ouch.
And the trenches are not there.
No, man. What is pose?
Where is that?
This one.
This is also on pump.
Insane. Is this called insane poses?
What?
What? Who are those people in the band?
I don't know.
Poses of who's posing? What? What is this?
What the hell?
I don't know what I'm watching.
Me neither.
I'm confused. Confused.
What?
Is there a bird on a skateboard?
Yeah.
Jesus.
These are bricks. She's putting up walls on her bed.
There's a guy with a tattoo of a phone and a dragon.
Because he's showing the tattoo. Of this. Can I get this?
Sure, you get the phone also. Epic.
That's epic. That is funny. That one's funny. That is funny.
Look at the guy with a lot of handcuffs on the left. This is too big.
Swish. Look at this one. Swish. Damn. There's no way you get a bowling ball that much in the air.
Yeah, I know.
Air ball.
Can be some damage to the...
Slightly.
Yeah,
Slightly.
damage.
Slightly.
Okay, so this guy has found a bunch of... Oh, man, this is... Oh, look how much money it is. 56,000 locked and 264. How many holders?
No, but let's get some. Oh, right there it says
888.
888.
I like that number.
It's Chinese
Yep.
lucky number.
Exactly.
So that means we're gonna get lucky here.
Yeah.
Bloodline Securities is coming here.
I think Insane Poses could be the one who pumped the fun. So I don't know if it's
I don't know if it's gonna work.
By the way, the volume is down so much on Pumped Up Fun. Maybe it will work because it's a big
Protection on this one?
protection on Insane Poses. Really? Yeah, probably.
Wow.
Probably.
Let's see if we got any paydays. We got lucky.
I think SafeNet is the one who paid us last.
Yeah, still nothing paid. Nothing paid us.
Man.
I guess we don't have any luck with these things.
Yeah, so far it's been extremely risky.
You think?
Which is very unexpected.
You think?
We got 25,000 poses. Damn. All right, let's put some protection on poses.
Yeah, exactly. There we go. When it goes to dollar, we're gonna be rich.
Yeah, please with Vaseline.
We're gonna be rich. All right, we need like a few more likes, man. We need like how many more? 13 more likes.
Get to 150.
To get to more than 50. So if you guys can hit the like button whilst we're looking for one more asset to take our money.
Uno más. Uno más. Uno más. Let's see. What do we have?
Let's see. Let's filter.
Oh, daily routine. Oh, there's a guy with the Saratoga water and the bananas. Oh man, that's hilarious. Have you seen the guy?
Yeah, it showed up on my feed, and I was like, I don't know how.
Yeah, they made a routine token there.
Where is it? Where is it? Routine?
Yeah. Morning routine. Oh.
I think it went down and rugged a little bit.
I think
I'm not 100% sure.
Those would have been great to jump in the beginning.
Exactly.
With a bunch of
It
protection.
would have been nice, yeah.
Yeah, the problem is the show is in the morning and everything happens in the evening. So we won't be able to catch those pumps. Jelly, still alive? Jelly?
I remember you jellying it. Is this?
Look at that
This
pump.
is a different jelly.
Look at that pump there. Boom.
We must have got the wrong jelly.
Did we buy the wrong? Did we got
We
scammed
bought
with the wrong jelly?
we got the wrong jelly. Because
Jelly,
my jelly, we didn't get that.
No,
We sold something else.
We didn't
So
buy
this is it.
Jelly.
Look what it did.
Man,
Oh, yesterday it pumped like if we had bought this yesterday.
I think we sold jelly.
Yes, we did, but
not this one.
not this one.
All right, so
So, but look what it did.
what a true Degen we do now. That's the
This thing
question.
did a double. Yesterday, we could have secured the bloodline here if we got in on this one earlier. Bloodline security. I smell bloodline security.
That's my balance security. I think he's gonna want to go back to the week. So a true Degen would definitely put some money behind this.
Definitely.
Jelly.
Jelly, my jelly.
Jelly, yes.
Jelly,
100%.
my jelly.
I think this is going to do it.
Yeah. Let's do it, man. Let's go heavy.
Jelly, my jelly.
We're going to go heavy.
0.25.
We're going to get dirty.
Nice. 1,600 jellies?
Yeah, we're going to get a bunch of jelly.
Okay.
We're going to get all slathered up with jelly.
Okay.
We're going to get jellified.
We're gonna get
With jelly, my jelly.
jellyfishes in our face.
Yeah, for sure.
Most likely.
Yes,
this is
that's
gonna
generally
happen.
what happens, but whatever.
It's hey, we gotta have faith in the jelly.
Yes, I believe in my jelly.
Yeah.
My jelly.
It's gonna work. All right, let's see. Let me scan the chat.
I wonder if this jelly is what kind of jelly are they talking about? Are they talking about the jelly on the peanut butter and jelly?
I think so.
Or the other type of jelly that you find at hubs and and video places that start with X?
It's probably the latter. But either way, jelly's good.
Damn.
Jelly's good.
Peanut butter and jelly.
Peanut butter and jelly. Yes.
We'll just go with that one. Let's take a look at the website, Dan. I'm afraid. I'm afraid.
Yeah, I'm afraid too. What?
What?
Faster way to post clips on video chat?
What?
This is all of a sudden it's getting. It was way too serious.
No. We gotta sell.
It's over. What? There is actually something.
What?
The faster way to post clips from a video chat? What? Want to make jellies?
What?
Join the wait list.
Is this for real?
I'm confused. I thought it was like a normal, crazy video chats. Short viral videos, adoptions, blah, blah, blah.
This is real.
We're actually going to something legit. Wow.
Whoa.
Posta jelly, it's actually a thing. You can jelly videos. Oh. Oh, it's not attractive anymore.
No, exactly.
I don't know, man. I had 13,000 followers.
I don't feel degen enough anymore.
No, this is 13,000. They have an app. Look, the Apple Store thingy. This is like this Jelly app, and they are promoting crypto.com.
Exactly.
Man, they do spaces.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay.
They are on Binance.
Wow. Okay. Well, what it is, what it is. Oh well. Okay, let's hit the sell button.
We are out. This is actually a serious project.
Oh damn! All right,
okay.
we'll put some protection. Did we already put the protection already?
I think you put the protection. Yeah.
Fine, whatever.
Okay.
All right, that was not degen enough, but
Yeah.
can I
Yeah,
get
there
like
we
two more likes? Just 2 more likes,
148. Yeah.
and
let's do
then
150.
we can answer your question. But do you have any questions for today, Maurizio?
Saved or you mean saved?
Like no, I mean like if you have a question after listening to our craziness.
Oh yes. My question would be, why are people not buying Bitcoin?
Ah, good question. I like that. I noticed that whenever I ask people in this audience or any audience, how many here don't have any Bitcoin? There's quite a few.
Yeah, put one in the chat. Put one in the chat if you have no
If you're
Bitcoin.
brave enough.
If you have no, yeah, if you're brave enough, because we will put your name on the show. No judgment.
and it's because when you have like only $100 for savings or $200 or $20,
it's not enough.
You think it's not enough. And that's the real reason, right? And even if you don't have to, even if it's like $10,000 is your savings, you feel like, well, I can't get one, right? I can't buy one.
I'm getting just
because I'm just getting 0.1 and or less, just a little bit above that right now. But you feel like you're not getting anything, and that's the problem, right? So. And that's the problem that needs to be solved for Bitcoin to get you guys to buy it now before, what's going to happen is all the other rich players, they understand divisibility more than you do. And so they they understand that. And so this is to their advantage because they want to get in before you do. And then they're going to brainwash you into going, oh, I got to buy it. And when it's too late. Right? And you will get brainwashed. Because why? Because you're watching here. You were like, shit, I remember when Da Vinci told me, yeah, I got to buy it now. Because they're telling me now to buy it. Bezos is telling me to buy it. The president's like coming out. CNN's telling me to buy it. Everybody's on the top. Why am I not buying now? I'm buying now. See? That's when you're going to get burned. That's when you're going to get burned.
Yeah, and thank you, by the way. There's a few people, they put one in the chat. We appreciate. So people are saying, well, it's too expensive, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Which is what Da Vinci is talking about.
Yeah.
I love Nick says, why aren't people buying Bitcoin? They are taking the Degen section too seriously.
Exactly. Exactly.
Yeah, don't do that. Don't do that. Just, I'm not telling you what to do, of course, but exactly. I wouldn't do that. I would just forget about the cost of one Bitcoin, just focus on accumulate as much as you can because this thing is going higher.
A lot higher. Okay.
Some people are asking why I'm not doing the Moon Show anymore. Maybe we can address this quickly.
Yeah, sure.
Well, first of all, I do want to focus on my podcast. As you can see, I've done some more videos, and the morning schedule with Da Vinci suits me much better. So nothing else, no drama, just a schedule. And I want to focus on my own show. Makes sense.
Exactly. Same here. It's the evenings is a little bit rough for me, and that's why. We could have done the show in the evenings, but I didn't want to.
Yeah, no, same. This is when I record all my podcasts, right? In between 5 and 7 Dubai time is when everyone wants to record.
Exactly.
Which means it will conflict with the show. That's why we're doing morning. Morning is so easy. Across the road, we are neighbors. Last time I had a lot of fun with you. So,
so that's where we're at, man.
Buy Bitcoin here. Yes, always, right? There is always a good if you have a long enough time frame.
Yeah, exactly. It doesn't matter. Just keep getting, and then the day will come when you save the Bitcoin, and everybody's like jumping on you, like, dude, how did you know? How did you know? You're a hero. You're a legend. Yeah, you are, because look around. There's a room full of people who were watching about Bitcoin and don't got any.
Exactly.
So the people who do have them and are holding on, they're going to be called legends. But the people who are like, it's too expensive, dude. It's too expensive.
Yeah, and this is a good point. Charo, hopefully I am pronouncing your name correctly. I apologize if I'm butchering it. But what I would do, I would list down all my expenses, say, okay, this is how much money I'm making if you have an income, and this is how much money I'm spending. So where can I cut?
And you know what? Netflix. Don't watch any more Netflix. I have a subscription to Netflix, and I stopped watching.
Same. It's actually embarrassing how bad everything is getting anyway.
So yeah, it is getting bad on Netflix. So turn it off and stop the subscription. And that $13 right now is $27.
Yeah, almost $30.
that $30 can go into your Bitcoin, right? And just don't use it because you've already spent $30 on your Netflix every day, every month, already, and it's gone for good. So do the same thing, right? Cancel your Netflix, put that $30 into Bitcoin, $30 a month, boom, and then assume it's all gone permanently.
Exactly. And by the way, there is also you already are a legend or a hero because you're if you are accumulating or not. If you're planning, something else you can do is you can find a part-time job and get paid in Bitcoin.
Exactly.
There is so many companies hiring out there, right? So there is no excuses, guys. Your financial life, it's an Excel sheet. How much money you make, how much money you spend. And if you don't have enough, well, guess what? You can get a job and work on Sunday, work on a Saturday, and do a period in which you are focused in, right? In scooping up as much as you can. And if you would have, imagine if you would have done it when Bitcoin was at $15,000, imagine, which was a couple of years ago, you would have done weekends, work, you would have control your spending, manage your finances.
Imagine we did that 4 years ago.
Now you'd be very happy and very, pleased you've done it because you would have quadrupled your money.
Exactly. So that's coming again right now. If you start now, for the next 4 years, you're gonna come back to the show and go, Da Vinci, thank you, man. Appreciate that. Right? Appreciate that. Especially if it goes to like a few $1 million, right?
Exactly. And hey, people are saying, oh, it's not like if you've done, let's say you've done it, what we are saying. So a couple of years ago, you would have found a part-time job, you would have managed your finances, cut down on some stuff. Even if you make, let's say you manage to have $1,000 and that $1,000 becomes $5,000, that's amazing. Because if you do it for 10 years, well, guess what? That becomes 50.
There you go.
So you just need to think about the long term. No, don't cut the gym. I mean, you can work out, right? Yes, you can. Maybe you can go into the park or use chairs or watch videos.
Yeah, you can cut the gym. Here's the thing. The reason why is because you can go online, right?
And watch
and
videos.
Learn, what videos on how to use your own body weight and use that in your own house for an hour, right?
Exactly.
I used to do that when I couldn't afford the gym. So that's what you do.
Exactly,
right?
but don't cut exercise.
Yeah,
right?
Don't cut the exercise.
Exactly.
Cut the gym.
Cut the expense, the part
expense
you
of
pay.
the gym. Right?
Yeah.
And put that all into Bitcoin.
There you go. $100 a month. Perfect. That's like $1,200 a year.
There you
Fantastic. You do it for 10 years, you'll be okay, man. Honestly. You can do the math. You can do the math thinking, what would have happened if I would have invested?
I think there's an actual Bitcoin math. What's it called? Investment sheet.
I think there is. And the best thing you can do is, I wouldn't even focus on trading. I would focus on buying Bitcoin and doing nothing. That's it. Because trading is difficult. Yeah, this guy, Bitcoin profit calculator. You can put in.
There we go. The investment. Let's just start with.
Can you close your email there?
Oh shoot.
No worries. And then okay, perfect. There you go. I switched camera anyway, so it should be fine.
Okay, so
no more Starbucks. That's another good one. I actually brew my own coffee.
So let's just say it's $100 is your initial investment.
Yep.
Right.
I think you can do a DCA weekly.
Where's the weekly DCA here? Investment 100. Initial investment 100. Additional contribution 100 monthly. Right.
And by the way, it's not 10%, but it's way more. But I think on average is 50, but whatever. 10 years.
Yeah, that's
because it's a compound, right?
Let's go with Bitcoin 5 years, sorry. Okay. Over 10 years, there it is.
$1 million.
There it is.
Okay, and yeah, this is just an example, right?
Right, and if we reduce that to like, that's still, okay, let's just go with 50%. There's no option here, custom.
There's no option.
There we go. 50%, which is decent.
That's on average. That's on average of Bitcoin does. 200,000.
There you go.
10 years, $100 every month. So someone was...
And then you eventually find ways to, because you're seeing it grow, you'll find ways to add to that.
Yeah. For example, someone said, there you go. It's $100. Okay, Charo, there you have it. Your $100 a month that you spend for the gym, put them into Bitcoin. I mean, sorry, you don't have to do it. I'm just saying, if you put them into Bitcoin and you want to be extremely conservative, even if you put like 20% instead of 80, look how big the number is anyway. It's like 38,000. There you go.
Mm-hmm. So if you go, it's like 40%, still decent.
120. Which, by the way, Bitcoin does on average
again,
60.
you'll probably start putting in more. So let's just start. If you started with 1,000, look at that. Right?
There you go. Thank you, Data Lab. Good to see you in the comments. Exactly. And there is so many things you can. Someone said no more Starbucks. Yes, there is so many things you can cut, man. It's insane. You can cook your own food, which is also healthier.
Exactly.
And you can brew your own coffee. You can.
There's so many things you can do.
Yeah.
So many things.
My brother gave me the best tip ever on spending. Shout out to Fabio. My brother, he said, okay, look, whenever you want to buy something, you don't buy that thing on the spot. You write on a piece of paper and you wait 2 weeks. If after 2 weeks you still want it, go for it.
Exactly.
I chopped off 80% of the impulsive buy crap I wanted to, and instead I'm just buying Bitcoin. So then 10 years later, you are multiplying the stuff.
That's good. That's good because then you could actually like put that stuff on a list, wait the 2 weeks, and then buy it anyways. But instead of buying that, buy Bitcoin.
Exactly. And he's going to give it to you for free.
Exactly. And then you're going to get it for free eventually.
Exactly. Roaming Storm, I would say I wouldn't focus on trading, to be honest. I would just buy Bitcoin and hodl. That's it. And then
trading is fine if you treat it like a job.
Exactly. I mean, maybe what you could do, I don't know if it makes sense, but you could you do a DCA into Bitcoin, build a little bit of a portfolio, then you take 1%.
Yeah, 5% max.
5%, and then you trade with that one. But I would build first my portfolio. I don't know if you agree, but yeah, that's a Thursday. Yeah, we second that absolutely. Yeah, good. I mean, again, just you need to see what works for you, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, just Ricardo saying you just holding or stake. Well, here's the thing: you have to be careful because you lose the custody.
Yeah, don't do that. Don't do that. That's the worst thing you could do. You'll lose control of your Bitcoins. You could end up losing everything, and you've done that before.
Oh, I've done it. Yeah, I in the beginning in 2013, I was with my brother. We were mining, and not your keys, not your cheese, we say. And here's the thing: Bitcoin does on average 50% a year, right? Why would you need another 10%?
Exactly.
The risk doesn't match. No. I'm losing the custody to get another 10%. Just hold it, man. Yeah. That's the easiest thing you can do.
Exactly. It's not worth it.
Then if you get to a point where you have billions of dollars, you can take maybe 1% of that one and just gamble into a whatever. But for the average person, myself included, I don't think it's worth it.
All right, guys. It's been more than an hour, man.
Yeah,
Jesus.
An hour and 8 minutes.
Thank you. We got to 172. Thank you very much. All right, guys. We'll see you guys tomorrow, right?
Tomorrow.
Peace.
Tomorrow's going to be Friday. Cheers.